Hello guys, thanks for tuning here with Trading for Everyone. In today's video we're going to be analyzing first what happened to natural gas and what's to expect from UGAZ and DGAZ, the ETNs and the inverse ETN. Well, first of all, as we can see, natural gas was selling off during the practically 6 months, and well, that what happened is that it broke above this descending trend line, as we can see here, and starting making high highs. As you know, that I like to trade this kind of movements in shorter time frames. And here we can see going down, testing the descending trend line. It crossed the trend line going up, the retracement, and here's where I like to enter a trade for shorter time frames, not for long time frames, because there's a really lot of risk involved when you trade leverage ETFs. So yes, you could make 30% in half a month, but that's really risky. So well, we can see that it was going down and then it started going up. So as we can see now in the 4-day chart, sorry, in the half a year chart, here there's going down, breaking above the descending trend line, like the retracement, and going up. As you know, I like this to exit trades with the Fibonacci extensions. So as you can see, from here to here, it's going down and then touching the 100 retracement. As you probably can see from here, just see here, going down. And let's hide let's hide the zero curve 23 and the 38 since they are not important. And we can now see that the 100% was a really good exit, since there's a big movement. But well, this involves much more risk, since as you can see here, it went up like in a matter of just some days. From here, from here to here, it's just like let's see, down there, it's 10 days approximately. So it's a really risky move, since holding a trade for so much time, it's like really risky with leverage ETFs. As you can see here, that's the head and shoulders. Quite a common movement. The left shoulder, head, right shoulder going down. I do not expect it to go down, even though that this pattern has formed, because it's really like setting up for a big move to the upside. That's what my gut tell me, but it's not exactly clear. As you can see in the bigger time frame, in the yearly time frame, it's now trading above the SMA line. It's the green line, and it's approaching it again. I expect it to bounce from it and probably go like another 30% up in half a month or a month. But well, as you can see, it was trading below the SMA line for quite a lot of time, from the start of the year practically. So it's really a good indication for UGAZ. And well, let's see in the short time frames, like perhaps the 20-day. This is the neck and the shoulder, the right shoulder, and it's now going down. As you can see here, there's a pattern that we'd like to break. And here's and if we would like to analyze previous support, we can see that there's a support. Sorry, the drawing. So as we can see here, there's a support, extend to the right, and here there's a support. So well, in the 1 day 1 minute, sorry, the 5 days 5 minutes, here you can see that it's approaching this resistance. it grows, but it was because how I set up the previous trend lines, but it's practically holding above it, and it's now starting to climb up. As we can see today, we saw a 2.5% increase in the price of natural gas. That translates to up to 7% in UGAZ. So let's corroborate that. In UGAZ, we can see, yeah, from yesterday close, it's now, yeah, previous highs was practically 7%. That's what I suspected. But well, it's really good in the midterm, in my opinion, since it's trading above the SMA line, and it's this kind of curving to start going up. So that's what makes me feel this movement is really inconsistent. This movement is the one of natural gas. This one, as you know, the leverage ETFs and ETNs tend to go down. So yes, that's why we see that it's not going down. And you would say like, but it's not going up. It's just this is the support. But well, that's because ETNs tend to go down by itself because of how they work. So well, that's why I don't like tend to hold trades for more than a week or so, because yes, you could profit like 80%, but then in the next half 15 days or 10 days you lose everything again. So here we can see this movement, and if we see it in natural gas, it's going up and then not going down every bit, and then going up and not going down every bit. So it's like a technical going up. That's why you can see that's from this low to this low to this low, we can see an 18% increase in price, while in UGAZ from this point to this point to this point we can see a 1% increase. And that's, what's that, 2 months or something like that? Yes, 2 months. So yeah, that's why I don't recommend you to hold trades for too much time. But well, for short-term analysis, natural gas is our key. Remember that natural gas, it's what we are going to be looking. I like to eliminate some of my to raise some of the trend lines, because it makes it more messy. Some of these trend lines were drawn like in some previous videos with you. So well, just if you can go down to my channel and click the previous videos, you're going to see while I'm drawing those trend lines without the price being developed as it is now. So well, if you are not subscribed to the channel, please click the subscribe button below and like the video. Comment if you want me to ask you any questions about the trading platform. That's the TD Ameritrade Thinkorswim platform. If you want me to answer you about any stock, any ticker symbol that you'd like me to analyze, please leave it down in the description. And if you like me to give you an analysis on whatever topic on the stock market, I will just leave the question below and I'm going to answer it. So well, let's see. Yeah, what happened today? What happened today was that natural price started going up, and we're going to put this preset that I have. That's the natural gas plus the DGAZ or UGAZ that I click here. So I click UGAZ and DGAZ, and this changed without this changing. So well, as we can see here, there's this going up, the price going up. We join these highs and we get to the other high, and now it's descending. No, it's actually just trying to break previous highs. So just take attention to that, pay attention to that. That's a kind of an ascending triangle, but it's not fully developed. But well, and also there's a trend line right about here, so that's good. Here, that's the pattern I'd really like to trade. Start this going up, going down, retracements going up. This would probably have blown off my stop loss, but well, if I didn't enter the trade and I see this triple bottom, I would definitely enter the trade here. Here's not a descending triangle, here's a triple bottom, 3 times going to the same price, like really going up really quickly, going down really quickly, up down. These are triple bottoms. No like back and door to that. So well, let's starting going up. When you see these high highs, you can put more to the add to the position. High highs, add to the position. High highs, add to the position. As you know, I like to set exit points. One of my exit points where I'll probably be taking half of profit was this point, previous highs, and perhaps since I saw it with really quite a lot of volume, I probably went up to this point. So well, I'm going to analyze UGAZ in this video, and click it in the description for part 2 and go to watch the DGAZ trades that we could have made like in the morning or perhaps in the afternoon while the price was selling off, because it was really oversold here. But well, as you can see, this going up is just the same as the market opens, and as you can see here, this is not a triple bottom. You say that yes, but this is going down. This is going down. There's no question in that it's going down. Yes, but you remember, you don't look at price action in the ETNs, because these ETNs are not lonely. They are backing up the price on natural gas. So here this is a triple bottom, no question to that. Here's not. Here's a descending trend line. So there's also this breaking up to the descending trend line, but it's not the same. So this is nicer, this is like cleaner. So well, first of all, we see the breaking it up at 1 o'clock approximately. That's this point, 1 o'clock.